Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down technology to help you understand what the numbers and features actually mean. Today, we're taking a technology-focused look at a motorcycle dashcam system featuring 2.5K front and rear recording, HDR, GPS, Wi-Fi, IP67 protection, Sony STARVIS 2 imaging technology, parking modes, and voltage control. So what do all those specifications actually mean in real-world technology? Let's start with the cameras. This system uses front and rear recording, meaning it can capture video from two directions simultaneously. The front camera records at up to 2.5K resolution, providing more image detail than standard 1080p recording, while the rear camera provides an additional perspective. Having two camera views also means the footage can be reviewed as separate front and rear video streams. Next is HDR, or high dynamic range. Cameras can encounter scenes containing both very bright and darker areas, and HDR processing is designed to balance those extremes. The goal is to preserve useful image information across a wider range of lighting conditions rather than allowing bright areas to become excessively washed out or darker portions to lose too much detail. Then there's Sony STARVIS 2 technology. This is an image sensor technology designed for improved low-light performance and dynamic range. In a camera application, that means the sensor is engineered to capture more usable information when available light becomes limited. The important point is that STARVIS 2 is hardware-level sensor technology, while HDR can involve additional image processing techniques. The system also includes GPS rather than simply producing a video file. GPS can add location and movement information associated with the recording. Depending on the software, this information can include geographic position and speed, allowing video clips to be connected with where the camera was operating. Wi-Fi adds another layer of convenience to the technology. Instead of depending entirely on physically removing the memory card, a compatible smartphone can communicate with the camera through its wireless connection. The companion app can typically be used for functions such as viewing recordings, changing settings, managing files, and transferring selected footage to a mobile device. Now let's talk about the IP67 rating. This rating describes protection against dust and water under standardized testing conditions. The first number, 6, indicates a high level of protection against dust ingress. The second number, 7, indicates protection against temporary immersion under specified testing conditions. It's important to understand that an IP rating is a laboratory classification, not a guarantee that every component can withstand unlimited exposure to water. Storage is handled with a 64 GB memory card. Storage capacity determines how much recorded video can remain available before older files are overwritten when loop recording is being used. Because this system records from both front and rear cameras, storage consumption depends on factors such as resolution, frame rate, compression, and recording duration. Another interesting feature is the 3-in-1 parking mode system. Parking modes are designed to monitor the surroundings while the vehicle is stationary, and different implementations can combine functions such as motion detection, impact detection, or time-lapse recording. The exact behavior depends on the camera's firmware and configuration. Finally, there's voltage control. This is an important part of a hardwired vehicle camera because the camera may need to remain powered while the vehicle is parked. Voltage monitoring can detect when the electrical supply falls toward a predefined threshold and can shut the camera down to help limit excessive battery discharge. Put all of these technologies together and you have a camera system built around several separate functions. Dual camera recording for multiple viewpoints, 2.5K resolution for additional image detail, HDR and STARVIS 2 for challenging lighting, GPS for location information, Wi-Fi for wireless control and file management, IP67 protection for environmental resistance, parking mode functionality for stationary monitoring, and voltage management for vehicle power integration. The interesting part isn't just the individual specifications. It's how these technologies work together to turn a basic camera into a connected recording system with imaging, positioning, wireless communication, environmental protection, storage management, and power monitoring all working as part of the same platform. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this technology breakdown helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.